Hi there, my name is John Szekeres of Gerrie Electric from the Automation Group. Today I want to talk to you and show you on Connected Components Workbench, also known as short form CCW we call it, the custom group parameters. And we're doing that here with a Powerflex 525 drive on Ethernet. So we're making an Ethernet connection from my laptop computer to the drive. And we're online with the drive, so you can see we're online with this green here. And I'll just go into the parameters now and show you what parameters we're going to be monitoring. So as you know, if you've played around with the software, the parameters are presented in a linear list, which is the whole listing of the drive, all numbered numerically in order. It's a lot of bit of work to go and maybe monitor a bunch of parameters and make changes to do any tweaking for your application in that method. Also, the parameters are organized just like if you're going through the keypad or any HIM module of the drive. We have subfolders of where parameters are located. So some of the parameters I'm going to look at, and I have them written down in front of me here, and I'll show you to you when we put them together in the custom group, is in the basic display, the basic program, and the advanced display group. So if I go into the individual groups, as you know, with the group is a smaller list of parameters based on that folder. And I'm going to be looking at the parameter number 1, output frequency, parameter number 2, commanded frequency, and then parameter number 5, DC bus voltage. And then when I go over to the basic program, again, that's a different group. Again, that would be a lot of work going back and forth. I'm going to look at parameter number 41, accel time 1, and parameter number 42, decel time 1. And then in the advanced display group, I'll just pick off one more, and I'm going to look at, say, parameter 394, maybe our digital output status, which is like the relay outputs or the opto-digital outputs. So to get into the custom group, again, the drive has to be connected with your software and your laptop with Ethernet. If you're using the 1203-USB direct drive connecting cable that works from USB port with the converter and the connection to your drive, whether it's a Powerflex 525 or the 750 series and 70s and 700s of the older Powerflexes, that cable is good to make direct connections, but when we're playing around with the custom group parameters, it's not available unless you're doing it with Ethernet. So now I'm going to go into that, and you can see no parameters found, so this is a fresh group here. So now I'm going to edit the group and put what parameters I want to look at all in the same spot. So now we have our list here of the parameters. We can filter and look for them quickly by name or something like that. So now I'm just going to add it over. And it was again parameter 1, 2, and 5 in that first group, but we presented it with linearly. I did write them down by number, parameter 2, in my notes here. So again, we're going to go into, as I mentioned before, accel time and decel time, and then 394 should come up there. Yep, digital out status. So here's our group, and I hit OK, and now you can see that in this custom group parameter, while I'm online, and as you save it, you can save it too as a project file and have that with that, is now we have all the parameters in one spot. So let's say in the application I just want to see what's going on, make sure the drive is running at a certain speed compared to the commanded frequency. If I turn on the drive and make sure things are cool, DC bus voltage, and again, any parameter. So this is just the example that I'm showing you. So to tweak the settings, obviously there's only 2 read and write parameters I have in this list, but you might have more to do, so it's really convenient just to have everything in one spot, and that's the idea of this quick video. So I can make changes to the accel or decel time to say maybe tweak something on my application, but if I need to go check another parameter here, then you're not jumping all the way around back and forth between folders or looking through the whole list and scrolling around. You have everything in front of you. So again, that was a quick video to if you wanted to watch our original Connected Components Workbench overview video for a tour of everything overall. This builds on the video from there to give you a quick video on showing you the custom group. Any questions, you can just give us a call at Gerrie Electric and ask for a member of our automation group, or speak to us drive specialist. Thanks.